Our next topic is nested or inner classes. For explanation, I have taken one class here. So what is inner class? Writing a class inside another class so that it is useful only within that class is an inner class. If you are writing a class which is not useful everywhere, it is limited to one class, then you can write a class inside that one. So it is just like for reducing the complexity of a bigger class, you can write smaller classes inside. So let us see. Separate the logic inside a major class, you can write inner classes. That's what the idea is. Let us see. For that I have taken an example. Outer class is having two members, that is non-static member and static member, and function which is not doing anything. I kept everything ready for explaining inner classes. Now inside this class I will write one class called inner. Then inside this I will have one member. Let us say this is public. Okay, I have to write keyword public here, and it is having one member x having value 25. Then it is also having one function void show, which is displaying nothing but just cout show only. This is the end of a class. So I have written one class inside the outer class. So this is a class. Only class is there, but I have to create the object also. So okay, before the end of this class, inside this one, here I will create the object that is inner. Can't I create it here? No. It must be done after the definition. So that is important. So what are the members now? First member is non-static. Second member is static member. Okay. Then third one is a inner class object. Now let us learn few things. First point. The inner class, can it access these members A and B here? So in cout, can I say display A? No, it cannot access A. Why? It is non-static member. Can I access B? Yes, you can access. So first point we learn that inner class can access the members of outer class if they are static. Second point, can the outer class create the object of inner class? Yes, it can create. Now using that object, can it access all the members of a class? Yes, it can access all the members of a class. The outer class can access all the members of a class. It is just like as if it is a class outside, that is some another class. Instead of writing it outside, we are writing inside the class so that it is visible only here. So I already have a function here. Can I say I dot show? Yes, I can call this function show. Can I display this cout I dot x? Can I access this member? Yes. So which members I can access? I can access only those members which are public. I cannot access private and protected members of this class. So these are public members, I can access it. So let me show you where it is useful. So I'll quickly write down something and show you. Suppose I have a class called linked list. Linked list, you know this one, right? So like a node having a pointer to next node, having a pointer to next node, and the first node is called as head node. You know about this one. 8, 5, 9. This is type of data structure. Suppose I am making a class for this one. Then inside the linked list class, I may have a class node. Node will contain what? Data and a node type pointer to the next node. So this is a inner class for a node. Then linked list is having node type of pointer, that is head. Then rest of the things, insert, delete, all those operations. So I guess you know something about data structure. So based on that I am explaining you, giving this example. So this is the outer class having an inner class. So where this node is useful, it's only useful in linked list. So why to write this class outside? Don't write the class separately, say class node. Don't write it outside. You can have it inside the linked list class itself. So it's visible or useful only within that class. That is the only idea of inner classes or nested classes. So now this outer class can create the objects of this class and use them. A linked list can have a class inside instead of having it outside, and it can create the objects and use it. A limited scope class that is visible only inside outer class. So let us write some code and see. I will show you how they work.